Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the VASAGLE Shoe Bench with cushion. A versatile piece that combines seating, storage, and a shoe rack all in one. Perfect for enhancing any entryway, bedroom, or living room. This bench features ample storage space with a 3.1-inch deep compartment under the seat for stowing away essentials like gloves and books, while the two lower open shelves keep your daily footwear organized and easily accessible. Crafted from quality particleboard, this sturdy and durable bench can support up to 300 pounds without wobbling or creaking, ensuring it will last for years to come. The bench also offers comfortable seating with a 1.6-inch thick padded cushion covered in easy-to-clean poo, making it ideal for putting on shoes or simply relaxing. Thoughtful design details include two sturdy hinges that prevent the lid from slamming shut unexpectedly, adding an extra layer of safety. Whether you're looking to tidy up your space or add a touch of elegance, this cloud white shoe bench is a stylish and functional solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.